In this video, I'll be showing you how you could download UTORRENT and use it to download documentaries and important stuff. So I would first urge you to go to google.com and search for UTORRENT. The first thing that appears, such as utorrent.com, is the one you would want to go to. Now move down, do not download uTorrent web. Move down and click on download uTorrent, uTorrent classic, and these don't really matter to me to be honest. I always go with the basic and the free version. So click on download now on the basic version, and your download will start. Now as it has been downloaded, click on the downloaded item and let's see. Some setup will appear. Click on yes, next, skip this item, next. Yeah, this will take a few seconds to install the setup on your computer. Now it's completed, all the setup has been completed and it will start running. This is our uTorrent. Since I already had one, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, that was it from this video. See you in the next few more videos where I'll be showing you some more interesting softwares that you can download from the internet very easily and in the most efficient manner. Thank you.